Nakalipsi ka pang pula-pula.
Take 2. 3, 2, 1, and murang kamatis.
Nakalimutan ko
And
yun, diba?
action. What do you think of my proposal?
Ay, very good. Maganda. Sa totoo lang, alam mo, plano talaga namin ng late husband ko yan eh. Yung makapagpatayo ng restaurant bago siya mamatay.
Really? Then still turn that dream into a reality with me. Smile, pause. You're blushing now. Can I go there and take your cue?
Oy, oh! Stephen, right? Stephen yan. What are you doing with my mother?
Hi, you must be jealous. You're beautiful just like your mom.
Shut up! Hindi ako nagbibiro ah.
Hindi rin ako nagpagdura.
Sus ko talaga.
Jerry, akin na. Akin na yung cellphone ko.
Bata-bata nito, nakakahiya. Gabi-gabi ka na lang nakikipagharutan dito sa Stephen na to.
Tigilan mo na nga ako. Rinding-rindi na ako sa'yo. Lagi ka na lang ganyan. Eh, business partner ko lang yan. Potential business partner. Talaga lang, sadyang malambing siya. Ganun lang yun. Malisyosa ka. Akin na.
Dadala ka naman. Ma, wake up. Nilaloko ka lang ng lalaki niya. Nakakulot ka pa, tapos nakalipsi ka pang pula-pula.
And cut.
Thank you.
Thank you.